Hello, my gorgeous friends on the internet. Today we are going to learn how to grant access of your files or any files that are uploaded from or through Microsoft Forms that are stored in OneDrive, or how to grant access of SharePoint and OneDrive files. So let's get started. For that, first of all, open any of the browser. On the URL, type office.com and sign in with your Microsoft 365 account. Now you can see the home page, and at the left hand side you can see multiple application icons from where you have to choose OneDrive icon. Click on the OneDrive icon. Now you can get the OneDrive folders. Among the folders, search the apps folders. Here we can see the apps folder. Open it. Now we can see the Microsoft Forms folder. Now inside this folder you can get the main folder which you want. But if you are unable to identify which folder or which form folder is, then simply you can grant access of the main folder. That means Microsoft Form folder, where all the forms files are stored. So while you click on the Microsoft Forms folder, at this side you can see three dots. Click on this. You will see multiple options. Among these, choose Manage Access. Click on the Manage Access, and in the direct access place you can see a plus icon. You can see a plus icon. That means a grant access icon. Click on this and it will ask for the name or the email to whom you want to grant access. Now you can grant access by providing the name or the email of Microsoft 365 account. Okay, so for example, I am going to type here one of my colleague. You can see the name, exactly the name, and the designation. Choose that person and what type of access you want to provide. If you want to provide the access of view and edit both, simply you can choose can edit. And if you want to just only give or grant access to view only, you can see the option can view. You can choose this one. So we are going to provide the access of both, so that I'm choosing grant access can edit. Now click on the grant access. That's it. It's done. It's very simple. Close all this. Now the access for this folder is with the person whose name I have typed. And again, one more thing, you can just share or you can just grant access of whole folder if you are not precise or if you are unable to identify of which form access you are providing and of which form folder is. So what you can do is simply you can provide the access of whole main folder of the Microsoft Forms. And now let's check, is it grant access is approved or not. You can see in the list of direct access, the name of the person to whom I wanted to grant access is here. Now you can change the access from here, or if you want to remove that person from the grant access, what you can do is you can click on advanced, and now you can see another window is open. Now from here you can just remove that person. If you want to remove all the person, click on this button, and if you just want to remove one single person, click on this icon. Now this means this person is selected. Now you can see these two options are highlighted. Now you can click on the remove user permission. Simply click on this and you can see it's just displaying a message about this. So simply we are going to click on OK. Click on the OK. Now the person is removed from the access. Now this person again do not have the access of our SharePoint or the files that are uploaded from the forms. Close it. Let's refresh this and check the name from this list is disappeared or not. Click on refresh and click on this three dot, manage access, and the name is gone. So this is the very simple process. How can you grant access and how can you remove from the grant access? I hope you learn it, you get it, the idea. The main agenda of this video is successful for you, and if you find it is useful, please give us thumbs up and subscribe my channel, like the videos. Thank you very much.